Hello, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps to use this particular calculator, the TI-30X, to type numbers in scientific notation. So here we have a problem, which is 2.39 times 10 to the 24th times 1 over 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So the first thing that we should do is we should type 2.39. So when I go to my calculator, I type 2.39. And at this point, what I'm going to do next, according to my steps I've written over here, is to hit the second key and the X minus 1 key. Now the second key is located way up here at the top, and then the X minus 1 key is right above the 7. And that gives me an E, which is calculator language for times 10. So my calculator looks like 2.3 with an E after it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type 24. And now my number is in scientific notation. This calculator now believes that this sequence of digits is equal to 2.3 or 239 with like 22 zeros after it. So now if I was going to complete this problem, I would follow the same steps for the 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So I'm going to hit divided by, and I'm going to type 6.02. I'm going to go up to the top here, hit second, and I'm going to go to the X minus 1, which gives me my E, and then I'm going to hit type 23. I'm going to hit enter now, and that gives me my value, which is 3.97009, and you'll probably have to assess significant figures at this point, but the goal of this particular video is all about using your calculator properly. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher. I'm sure that they can help you out.